What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Just finished work as always, and you know what, guys? My package has arrived. Yeah! It's over at my parents' house right now, since the United States Postal Service don't deliver in my neck of the woods down at my house. But you know what? Unfortunately, Jess and I need to clean the office first. You know what? After that, we're gonna go get it. Let's go! Hurry up, Jess. Where are you? I wanna go clean this office so we can go and get my package and do an can't even talk, and do an unboxing later tonight. Let's go, guys. All right, guys. What's going on over here?
We're gonna unbox this box. Here's Jessie.
Oh, yeah?
It's something that we've been wanting. I got my makeup done.
Surprise!
Watch out, have a knife.
Okay. Unbox. Eliza, can you go over there because you're blocking the view? Okay, right there. Good.
Wait, tomato. Tomato.
All right. Unboxing. Watch out.
Watch out.
There's knives.
Watch this.
Dun 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 dun. Romeo, you're blocking the way, son. Go that side. Go that side.
Ow!
Watch out, Romeo.
Go over there.
No, don't. Yati has a knife. What? Come on, Liza, what's going on? You guys gotta talk. What's going on here?
We're waiting for us to the box.
Alright. Unboxing. Unboxing. Lay it down. Ooh, here we go, guys. Okay. There you go. Yeah, sure. Good like that. There you go. Hey, don't block the camera, Ethan boy. Oh, there we go. What is that?
like that.
Give me.
Oh,
Give me this
slime, Mom.
That one is gonna slide.
Why did you order a weird one? That looks weird.
Look right here.
Yay!
I mean, like,
This is my present.
was this optional?
No.
Like, why is
Wow!
Pull the thing, bro. Help me.
Watch out, there's some stuff in
Dad,
there.
now I got a mat.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, we got.
All right, what we got? What we got there, guys? What we got?
What is this?
Oh, what the hell?
Oh, no, what is this?
Hey, watch out!
Ow, ow.
Whoa!
Dad, we also have this.
All right, so in the box, guys. Oh my God, I got my shadow here. Sorry.
Oh,
So look at that.
we also got this, Dad. We need the charger. We got that.
All right. Jess, well, be careful, Jess. Maybe it's.
lights.
Yay, it comes with lights.
Dad, look, this is my present.
All you want is milk?
Yeah, milk. Make sure it's long time
Look, Dad.
expiration. Yeah.
Oh my God, Jess wants to ride it already.
Oh my
Daddy,
God,
look.
scary this one though.
Look, Dad.
Wow.
Okay, get down.
Okay. All right, so what we got here in the box?
So we got the light. I think this is the charger.
Okay, we got a charging brick.
I do want this.
Yeah.
Let me look.
Hey, no, we're gonna.
I'll just leave it there. Oh, I see
Ethan, you just ruined it. Oh my God.
What is this?
And then we got the controller right over here, guys.
Yeah, Dad. Controller?
Watch out, I got the shadow over here. Hold on, guys, let me turn around.
Slide. We also got this.
There we go, this is better lighting.
Birthday boy.
Uh-oh. Oh, sheesh, I turned it on.
Oh my God, it looks sick.
Uh-oh.
It shows battery too, Dad. It shows battery.
Hold on.
Mom.
Turn it off. All right, look at this, guys. You're ruining the light. Get away. All right, check that out, guys.
I don't know what it feels like.
I should get my stabilizer. Yay!
Oh,
All right, so that's the controller.
yeah. Somebody has to control me. I don't. Oh, it's nice and smooth.
Dad.
I have you, Dad.
Okay, watch out.
I have you, Dad. That's Teemo.
Romeo.
And on the back.
Yeah, show the back
Oh
side.
my God.
Wow, check that out, guys. Woo!
So the power.
Yeah, don't press it yet.
wheels.
Is there plastic around the wheels?
Yeah, they have plastic.
Oh yeah? You gotta take out the plastic.
I want to.
Is there plastic?
No. Is it
Oh no, it's a little bit. Okay.
this thing?
Alright guys, so I'm gonna set it up
Dad.
and then we're gonna give it a little try over here.
Daddy, let's do that. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we paired this. It was quite easy.
See?
All I needed to do was press the power button and then hold it down and then turn on the remote, and then there's a little slot here where you need to poke it,
Yeah, you have to.
and then it'll pair up and then you're good to go, guys.
I'll try that.
Alright, hey, keep it still. Okay, here we go.
Okay, Claire, don't go too fast for Dad.
I have the remote.
Ooh.
Oh. What?
The
box is in the way. Move, RJ.
I don't go too close.
Sorry.
Woohoo.
Go, Dad. Claire! Daddy, I want to try. Dad! I want to try somebody. Dad, I want to try somebody too. Oh, Dad, how did that feel?
Hold on.
Dad, I want to fly too.
Okay, hold on, I'm testing it out. Watch out.
Move, guys. Hi, Dad.
Wait, hold on.
I want to fly. Move, RJ. Move, RJ.
Woo.
Go, Dad.
Pull the brakes.
No. That's not actually how it's dangerous.
I know how to skateboard, Mom.
That's a different sound. That's a different sound. That's a different that. This is powerful, the one.
Excuse me. Hold on.
You're gonna fly too.
Fly through that. Your body, Dad. Whoa, Dad, you actually might break your feet through it. Dad, I don't fly. What did you say?
hold it. Woo! Wanna try? Okay, hold on.
Seriously, you're making me go back and forth.
Okay, Dad. I'm gonna go up next.
No, me.
No, Lola, I know
Put
how
your
to
leg up.
What? I'm the one.
No. There we go. Watch out. Move that box over there, Ethan boy.
Gonna go there. All the way back over there. Oh, there they go.
Okay. Hey, what? Hello.
Sorry.
Okay, hold on.
I don't want to hold it. Oh, sorry. Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Yeah, one more time for Romeo. Come on, Romeo, get on. All right, here we go, guys. Watch out.
Turn on the lights.
Woo! Slowly.
Don't press your
I
body,
said
Dad.
slowly.
Dad.
Oh. Ethan, I said slowly, Ethan boy.
See, that's why I told you, don't.
How do you hang on fast?
Huh?
That's strong.
Of course it's strong.
How do you hang on?
Oh my God.
Never mind, you guys. No.
See, you gotta lean forward.
They're dangerous here. What?
Can
Woo!
I come on?
Huh?
Come on.
Oh.
Woo!
I want to
So
come
you
on.
just have to lean forward, Dad.
It's not really hard.
Huh?
Come on.
Let's try it once then, Dad.
Hmm?
I'm just gonna try it once.
But this,
Go ahead, turn it around.
I'm not going by
Careful.
myself. It's heavy.
So I need to.
Wait. Don't go. I need to go.
Okay, slowly. Just go slow. And then the brake is, you go back, yeah. There you go. Okay, slowly. There you go, Ethan boy. Slowly, Ethan boy. Good. Okay, brake. Brake. Yay!
Break low.
Wait,
I'm gonna go really slow, okay?
wait. Is it straight?
As you stand up.
You have to turn it, Eliza.
I don't know how to turn. Daddy.
Turn it. Okay, go.
Hi, Dad.
Whoa! Whoa, Ethan. Stop it, Ethan. Okay.
Turn around.
More.
I'll show you.
The brake is back.
Is back.
Huh?
The brake is back.
Mom, when you go
Hold on,
over
Romeo.
there.
Hold on, Romeo.
Mom, when you go over there, turn it around.
No.
Okay, watch out.
Hold on, Romeo.
Okay, go. You know how to steer a skateboard. Left.
How to turn this one?
Your leg.
Mom, lean forward. Lean forward and lean back to go. Yeah, Mom, lean forward to go left and
Yeah.
lean back to go right.
Press more here so you go there. Come on. Yeah, there you go. That way. There you go, like that. Press. Okay. Press. You're going with the wall.
Back up, Mama. Yeah, put more pressure on that foot.
Yeah, so you
Put
can
more
tilt.
pressure on the front foot.
Yeah, looks like you're surfing. Oh,
Yeah,
there you
put more
go.
pressure on the front foot. More.
There you go.
that's
Okay,
it,
go,
Mom.
go, Jess.
Go.
There you go, go.
Less pressure. More pressure. More. That's it, Mom. Look at
Alright guys, so I hope you guys like that little unboxing that I just did. I am just super stoked. I can't wait to actually get this beast on the road and see how it goes. It said on the website that it can actually go up to 25 miles per hour, guys. And the range, I think it's around 10 to 11 miles. So that is excuse me, so that is pretty cool. Can't wait to test that out. But you know what, first I gotta go find my helmet. I've got my helmet for when I ride motorcycles and all that, but that'll look kind of weird. I might just go to Walmart or something, or go down to the local skate shop and get a cheap one and some elbow pads and some knee pads from Walmart or something like that. But I am just totally stoked. I'll put some specs if you haven't already seen it flash on the screen. I'll put some specs out there for you guys. But other than that, if you have any questions, leave those in the comments. I'm gonna practice on this, and I have some ideas on some new filming techniques while I'm on this bad boy. Again, Teemo M1 electric skateboard, guys. Just got through trying it out, and yeah, don't know what else to say, guys. Kind of awkward, but have a great night. Peace.